Do you ever stare at a blank screen, wishing your ideas could just flow onto the page? What if I told you that Google has a secret weapon for effortlessly getting your thoughts down, whether it's for a long document, a presentation, or even a quick email? Stick around because today I'm explaining Google's voice typing tools that will save you time and stress. I'm Amy from Clutter Care, and I empower business owners with Google solutions. Every week I hear, I didn't know Google could do that. And today I'm here to show you some serious time-saving solutions, especially for those of us that don't like to write on a blank slate. Let me know in the comments below when you wish you most could use voice typing in your daily or weekly routine, or let me know what voice-to-text tools you have already tried. When giving presentations using Google Slides, you'll be speaking your content anyways, so you might as well use the Dictate Speaker Notes option in the Tools menu. Using voice typing in Google Docs allows you to get your ideas out faster, and then you can edit and polish them later. Google's voice typing tool is found in the Google Docs Tools menu. Here are a few times you could consider using voice typing in Google Docs to save you time. Use voice typing for long-form content like proposals, writing a book, or writing blog posts. You can use voice typing to brainstorm meeting agendas or outlines, meeting summaries, or instructions for a client. Use voice typing to reduce physical strain and injury and to assist those who have difficulty typing. Voice typing is also available in multiple languages, which can also be paired with the Translate document tool if needed. All of those ways to use voice typing should save you plenty of time and stress. Here are the 2 Google tools for voice typing emails that I promised. Although voice typing itself is not available in Gmail in your browser, there are 2 other ways to draft emails using voice typing. Inside the Gmail app on your phone, you can compose an email and use the dictation microphone on your phone to draft that email. Then you can either send it from your phone or close it on your phone and open it to edit the draft in your browser before sending it from there. The second way to voice type an email is to use the email draft building block in Google Docs, which I've explained in another video. In a Google Doc, insert an email draft building block. Put your cursor inside the email draft text section, and then use the voice typing tool to speak and dictate your email. When you're done, click the Gmail icon to send your email. 2 more tips about voice typing. Voice typing works best and is most reliable in the Google Chrome browser. And make sure that you are speaking your words clearly at a normal and steady pace, not too fast. Bonus tip. After using voice typing to get your ideas out, you can always use Gemini, Google's AI tool, to refine or paraphrase your content in Google Docs or Gmail. To summarize, you can use voice typing in Google Docs and Slides and in Gmail on your phone. And you can use email draft building blocks and Gemini to make your voice typing experience even better. To learn about customized Google tools, plus tips and tricks that can help save you time and money in your business, schedule a clarity call with me to determine how we can best work together. As always, I look forward to helping you succeed.